Hi everyone, it's GoldQueen Queency and welcome to my YouTube channel. So on today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how I created this warm makeup look for summer. So babes, if you want to see how I created this look, keep watching. Please don't forget to like my video, comment, share, follow me on my Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat and Twitter. Having said that, let's get started. I'm making use of this NYX matte finish setting spray with a soap. With that normal soap, and then with a spoolie, I'm going to spray some setting spray to this soap with a spoolie. I'll go ahead to make it to form a foam. Then I'll go ahead to apply it on my brow. This as like a brow gel. So guys, I'm making some of this ZA True White Essence lotion as my moisturizer, and then I'll make it of this Case Beauty Photo Finish Primer Water as my primer. I'll just spray it all over my face. And then for my brows, I'm making it of this Focal brow gel in the color number 4. Okay, I'm going to put a link to this brow gel in the description. So anyways, I'll go ahead to do my brows. You guys can see my brow, they are not the same. They are from different cities. Okay, so guys, I'll go ahead filling in my brow. Okay, draw the lower part, draw the upper part, then go ahead to fill it in. And then when I got to the front part, I gave it like a hair stroke. So I'll go ahead making use of this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade number 30 to clean up my brow. And then for my upper brow, I'll make use of this Classic Makeup. Okay, I'll take some to clean out the upper part of my brow because I was trying to make use of a concealer that is one shade lighter than my skin for my underneath of my brow, and then my foundation for my above. So I'll go ahead to try to color correct because I have some redness on my face, and then I'll make use of that green concealer there, and then I'll go ahead and make use of the same foundation I'm using for my foundation. Spray some setting spray to it, some primer water to it, and go ahead to blend my foundation. So this foundation is amazing. I love it. It's classic white and I'm in the shade CF01. So guys, I took my time blending out my face. And so after blending out my face, I'll go ahead to highlight workings of the same Maybelline Fit Me in the shade number 30 to highlight my face. With the same beauty blender I use, I went ahead to blend it all out. So guys, my one tip is after applying your concealer, you have to give it time to warm up or dry out a little bit, and then you can go ahead to blend it out. Okay guys, so I applied the same concealer to conceal my lid for my eyeshadow, and then this is Magic Halo loose powder. I'll go ahead and make use of it to set underneath of my eyes and as well my eyelid, okay, my forehead. So guys, as you guys can see, after applying it, I went ahead dabbing it in, making it soak it in, you know what I mean. So guys, for my eyes, I'll go ahead to take this Novo Play eyeshadow. I'm making of the color there. I'll go ahead applying that color there as my transition color. So guys, in case you're wondering this eyeshadow, I as well got it from AliExpress. I'm going to put the link in the description. So guys, I'll go ahead making use of this color there. Okay, beneath the first color I use, okay, now to darken up my transition color or my crease color, and I'm as well blending it towards the outer corner. So guys, in order to darken my crease more, I went ahead with the black color there. As you guys can see how beautiful it's turning into. So my one tip is take your time to do your makeup. In case you have the time, But if you don't have, yes guys, you have to try. And so basically I'll go ahead like cutting my crease with the same concealer I'm making use of, okay? And with this shimmer color there, I'll go ahead to place it on my lid. I'll go ahead placing the shimmer color I have there on my lid. So guys, do you guys want more talk through videos? Because I want to start doing talk through videos. So base after applying that color there, I'll go ahead with the second color we use in order to blend out my crease color and my outer corner color, okay, in order to give it that transition or gradient effect, you know what I mean. And for my liner, I'm making use of this Handia liquid eyeliner. I'll also put the link in the description. It's so beautiful. So guys, I'll go ahead and apply some of this OMG mascara, okay. And then after that, I'll go ahead to dust off the powder on my face, okay. And then with a clean brush, I'll go ahead to blend out the outer corner of my eyes, okay, with no product on it, just to smoothen it out. So guys, for my contour, I'm making out this Usher contour palette. You might have seen this palette in almost my recent videos. I'm in love with it, so don't judge me, So guys, I went ahead contouring my face, and then what I usually do, I use like a lighter color as my bronzer. Then I went ahead making use of like the darker shade in that color, in order to focusing only on the outer corner, in order to like deepen my contour. And I'll apply some blush, and then I'll go ahead taking some of this highlighter, in order to highlight my face. That was intense, babes. Okay, what I usually do, I went out with the same beauty blender I use for my foundation to blend out my highlighter and as well my blush and everything together. And so for my lower lash line, I'll make use of this color there in order to go over to my lower lash line, and then apply some mascara again to my lower lash line. And for my lip liner, I'm making use of this Cubest lip liner. This is like my best favorite. I've used it like forever and it's still there. So guys, for my lipstick, I'm making use of this not liquid matte lipstick. As you can now to set my face, so I'm making use of this NYS liquid matte in order to like set everything together, and then apply some inner color highlighter. And so guys, that is it on how we created this warm makeup look for summer. So guys, make sure you're following me on my Instagram. If you're not following me, I wonder what you're waiting for. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share. See you guys in my next video. I love you guys.